Welcome to this series called Python for Tweens. In this series, I will be teaching you how to code using the Python Turtle Graphics library. It is designed for children ages 10 to 12. What is programming? Programming is simply telling the computer what we want it to do. To do this, we use a language that the computer will understand, which is called a programming language. There are many programming languages with their own rules, but the language we will be using is called Python. Now, we choose Python because it is beginner friendly, easy to learn and read, versatile, has a strong community support, and is a good foundation for other languages. In the link in the video description, you will see how to install Python. Python Turtle is a module within the Python programming language that allows the user to create simple graphics by controlling a virtual turtle on a screen. The virtual turtle can move forward, backwards, turn left or right, and draw lines or shapes, making it a fun and engaging way to learn programming. Now, the Cartesian plane is what we will be doing. We'll use the Cartesian coordinate system to get the position of values, and from that point on, we'll be able to draw or move to certain positions. This Cartesian coordinate plane was drawn using a file called template.py. So I will quickly show you how to download it. This is a platform called GitHub where we host our code. I'll come to download raw file, click on it, and wait for that to download. Let me check the download folder. Okay, okay, so what do you want to save it as? So I'm going to save it in the download folder. Then I will move it from the downloads folder. You can see it here, template.py, because we need it. So I'll move template.py to a folder on my desktop called code. To do this, I will select it, Ctrl X to cut it, Ctrl V to paste it. Now, this tutorial assumes you've already installed the Python interpreter, and then we're using idle. So I'll come here, come to idle, and wait for that to open. So while that is opening, I can move on. So it's open, idle has opened. Now say file, open, go to code, okay, not this one, go to the one on the desktop, code, template. Now when we run the template, please do not be scared by the code. It's a, it's going to be like training wheels. So a lot of the code, you're only interested in a certain portion of the code, not the whole code. But you can see that this is the same grid that we have. The only portion of the code that concerns you is this part where it says place code here. And that is where you'll be placing your code. Now, the Cartesian coordinate system, we want to find the coordinates of the positions labeled on the grid. So this grid is 400 by 400 pixels. So after we find the position, to draw it, we just multiply by 10. But first, we have to get the position. So I will do for 1, 3, and 5. So for 1, for x, you start with the horizontal values: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13. For y, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So -13, comma -10. Multiply both by 10, to be -130, comma -100. For 3, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then we count up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 13, comma 8. That's 130, comma 80. For 5, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me count again. Wait, sorry. Let me count the again. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for y to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's -7, comma -6. So what we're going to do, we're going to open the template.py file, and we're going to rename it. To rename a file, we'll come here. We use not save copy as, sorry. We'll go to file, say save as. We'll call it lines.py. Save. Now the place where it says place code there, we'll place our code there, and then we'll place this code into it. We just copy and paste. Then we put it here and we save. And when we run it, what we get is basically a series of lines that joins all the points together using our grid. So we draw the grid first, and then we get a series of lines that joins all the points together. So I can close lines.py now. So let's move on. So look at the commands. First command is turtle.pen up. We've only used 4 commands so far. What it does is it lifts up the pen of the turtle. Turtle.pen size sets the size of the pen for drawing to n pixel. Turtle.set position moves the turtle to the selected position x, y, which is that for the coordinate system. And turtle.pen now places the pen down for drawing to start. Now we're going to draw a square. To draw the square, I think I closed everything. So let me just quickly reopen it. Another way to reopen, you can. I'm on Windows 10, so this will work. But if you're on Windows 11, it probably will not work. So you might have to use the idle approach. Another way to work on this is we're going to open template.py file, save as. We'll call this square.py. And we will copy and paste this code into the portion of code where it says place code here. And we will save. Now we will run it. So it's coming, and then it will place. So we've drawn a square. So look at the commands. The first command is turtle.pen size. The next command is turtle.forward. Move forward by 100 pixels. Next command is turtle.right. That will turn the position of the turtle to the right. Then we'll move turtle.forward, turtle.right, turtle.forward, turtle.right, turtle.forward, turtle.right. And then we draw this square. So classwork. Use the concept for drawing a square to draw a to draw a rectangle of longest side 100. So what we'll do first, we'll close this, go to File, open template.py, File, save as rectangle. And what we're going to do is very simply, first thing we do, we say turtle.pen size 10. So let's go. Turtle.pen size 10. Turtle.forward 100. Turtle.right 90. Next, I will do turtle because we're trying to draw a rectangle. So I'll do turtle.forward 50. Then turtle right 90. And just copy it again. Save, run. With that, we've drawn a rectangle. If you want to see what it is doing slowly, all we need to do is come back to rectangle.py and put this command. This command slows down the turtle by a certain amount. This will be 1000 at this point. And so we say run. So just watch carefully and then try and match it with the code. So turtle.forward, it will turn. You see the way the turtle is turning, goes, it turns, it moves, and it stops. So thank you very much for watching. The homework is to draw a triangle which has at least one side of length 100 pixels. Please try and do the homework. Once again, thank you very much for watching and have a great day.